Welcome! In today's video, you'll learn how to delete a contact on Telegram, a quick and easy guide that works for the latest version of the app. Whether you want to clean up your contact list or remove someone you no longer chat with, this step-by-step process will help you do just that. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account before continuing. Once the app is open, look to the top left corner of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and tap on them to open the main menu. From the menu, select the option labeled Contacts. This will take you to your full list of Telegram contacts. Scroll through and find the person you want to delete. When you've found their name, tap it once to open the chat or contact profile. At the top of the screen, tap the contact's name. This will bring up more details about that person, including their phone number and profile information. In the top right corner, you'll notice 3 dots. Tap them to open a small menu. From here, choose Delete Contact. A confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to remove this contact from your Telegram. Confirm your choice, and Telegram will permanently remove that contact from your list. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a contact from Telegram. It's a simple process that only takes a few seconds, but it can help you keep your chat list organized and clutter-free. If you ever change your mind later, you can always add the person again by saving their number in your phone's contacts and refreshing Telegram. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.